If y'all wondering when I'm eating, okay. Excuse me. If y'all just finished watching my YouTube live, and I'm eventually upload this Facebook live on YouTube, about to show y'all what I'm eating. Super Mario cereal, okay? Look at this. This is what the cereal look like. I want y'all to stare real clear at this box. Ain't this delicious? It looks delicious, you know? So, I just finished doing a YouTube live, and I'm so proud of myself for doing this, you know? Yep. Eating some cereal, and guess what? It's not even breakfast time yet. And you know, I wonder if the guy from Cereal Time did this one, you know? I wonder, because, you know, it's Cereal Time on the Dominoes 7 show on the Facebook one, okay? Let me eat. If y'all don't like this, you don't know what you're missing. I hate milk dripping down the chin. I hate that, you know? For some of y'all people that's watching the first time. Yeah, with some power up marshmallows. Yep. Hope y'all looking at this very, very clear. I love Mario. If Sonic come out with a cereal, I get that too. Excuse me. All right. That's all your boy Dominoes got to say. Bye-bye, folks. All right. One more bite before I stop.